I'm a black belt in eating chicken wings, buddy. Please say something funnier than that, bro. I don't want to believe that that's what you think is funny. Somebody feed it. I'm not gonna get called an it again, bro.
Rav, how are you able to sit next to Los for so long? He smells like shit.
Buddy, it's so crazy. I just showered before stream, put some cologne on.
That don't even work.
Los peaked in high school. I literally feel like the peak of my life keeps happening every year. You're saying high school, like, every single year feels like it's peaking higher. Bust Rav.
Okay, you can finish the sentence.
Finish?
Finish the sentence.
Finish?
The sentence.
Yo, I'm not finishing you, bro. Of course, Tubby is biased towards the fighter with a food channel? Why is this guy getting salty, dude? First of all, I didn't even bet on Volk. I fucking bet on Lopez!
I mean, technically,